Hi everyone, I'm Scott with the Dog Outdoors, and today we're taking a look at the new Ruffwear front range harness. These are really great harnesses. They've got awesome padding on them. They can be used for a variety of different activities, from walking your dog to even to biking your dog. They work great. They've got two different points of attachment, which I'll show you up close here in a second, giving you some different options. And they are comfortable enough for your dog to even wear an extended period of time. So they've actually got a nice little ID tag where you can put your dog's ID tags right in this Velcro part here. If you wanted to keep it on your dog an extended period of time, and if they weren't the type of dog that's prone to chewing. You can see here it's got an aluminum V-ring right up at the top, real strong attachment point right up at the top there. It's also got a secondary attachment point right on the front of the chest. So this is useful for getting additional control of your dog or for training purposes. You can see this is Parker, so it's got a little bit of hair all throughout it, but it's got padding all the way throughout it. So you've got the whole front chest portion padded. I don't know if you can see that, but it's nice foam cushion padding on it all the way down. And this is the important part, I believe, all the way down to the straps that go behind the front legs. They have the padding on them as well. And what I hear from a lot of dog owners is that the strap behind the legs is the part that tends to rub or cause irritation on dogs most frequently with your everyday harness that you'll find out there. So having the padding, additional padding in this area is awesome. It's great. I'm going to put it on Parker here in a second and show you what it looks like on the dog. Comes in a gray color. As you can see, we've got a couple of other colors as well, a blue, a pink color, and an orange color. Very high visibility, has reflective stripping throughout the harness so that for nighttime visibility. 4 points of adjustment, so you can adjust it to get the fit just right for your dog. So here, let's take a look at how to put it on the dog and how it looks on Parker. All right, here's Mr. Parker. He's going to help me demonstrate how to put this harness on. I'm going to do my best with one hand. One other thing I wanted to point out was that it has 2 connection points on the back. And this makes it easy for you to just put it over your dog's head and clip them in. They don't have to step into the harness. I know that some dogs are kind of timid about, or especially older dogs, are sometimes timid about having to step into your traditional harnesses. But this one just slips over the head. It's got the 4 adjustment points, 1, 2, 3, and 4 to get the fit just right, and as I mentioned, the reflective stripping. Let's put it on Parker. Come on, Parker, hop up. Parker, come here, buddy. Let's see if I can get this on. Come on, buddy. Good boy. Okay, got it over the head. So you just put it over the head, and then you just take the strap from either side and connect it. There's 1 and 2. So you can see it's got the main primary V-ring, the aluminum V-ring right in the back there. As I mentioned, the ID holder, if you wanted to not have your dog wear a collar, or you didn't want the tags to jingle, you could put the ID tag right in here if your dog's wearing it extended period of time. Hey, Parker, hop up. Listen. Parker, come here. Parker, come on, boy. Let's see. All right, and then if you can see up underneath, got the padding, the front attachment point, the padding following all the way down the chest, back behind the front legs, on that strap right there, so you're not going to get any rubbing issues. It's a very comfortable harness. Parker loves it. You can see it looks really sharp too. Good boy, Parker. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Here's a closer look at those other colors, the orange, campfire orange, the pink, and the blue. 5 different size options, I'm sorry. And there's sizing information on the page. It tells you how to take your dog's measurements and the different sizes. Here's an up close look at these sizes, and it's based on your dog's girth measurement at the deepest part of the chest behind the front legs. Go, Parker. Go, Parker. Go. Come on, Parker. Go get her. Go get her, boy. Get her. Get her. Go, Parker.